Good morning, Anderson Foxes. It's Monday morning, December 7th. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend with your friends and family. Hey, we're ready to start another great week of remote learning, being our best, working hard. So this the morning announcements are going to be one of the best ever. We have the spinning wheel of fun that's coming up later. And man, what is that? It is stinky around here. All right, don't worry, we got.
Hey, when you gotta go, you gotta go.
Oh, Mrs. Smith, man, I'm trying to do announcements. Oh, man, Mrs. Smith. Woo! We need to get some spray. Oh, okay, woo, okay. So, good morning, everybody. Let's feed Spicy his breakfast. Good morning, buddy. Keep working hard. And, of course, let's start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. So, here we go. Stand up nice and straight. Wherever you are, you can put up your own flag in your bedroom or your kitchen, wherever you are. But here's the one from the school. Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now our Anderson School pledge. Where's Mr. Fox? Here we go. We are the Anderson Foxes. We are respectful, we are responsible, we are safe, and we also have tons of fun. Oh, man, Mr. Smith. Woo! Okay. Let's see. Happy birthday. There were tons of birthdays over the weekend, so if you had a birthday, we hope you had a great time. But we want to say special happy birthday to Mrs. Goriotis, Mrs. Morgan, and Mrs. Magnuson. We had 3 teachers have their birthdays over the weekend. You guys have a great birthday, and hopefully it was all. We also had student birthdays right here. Lots of people were born in December, so happy birthday to Eliana Farouk, Tyler Weber, Ariane Matarangas, Theory Matarangas, and Benny Rosales Vidal. Happy birthday, guys. All right, let's see. Okay, last but not least, we're going to have the joke of the day. The joke is about bowling, because in just a second, we're going to go bowling in the hallway. So the bowling joke is, why should a bowling alley be quiet? Because you want to hear a pin drop. A pin. So speaking of bowling pins, check this out. Okay, right down here, we've got some bowling pins. And right over here are some of my favorite people at Anderson. We got Mrs. Schaefer, Mrs. Kramer, Miss Clausen, Mr. Mike, and Mr. Smith. And we're going to go bowling. But, wait, where are the bowling balls? We don't have any bowling balls. We're going to use teachers as bowling balls. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. All right, right here on the spinning wheel, you can see our contestants. We've got Mrs. Schaefer, Mr. Mike, Mrs. Clausen, and Mrs. Kramer. We're going to spin the wheel. Whoever it lands on, they're going to sit on the scooter, and Mr. Smith is going to push him down the hallway right into the bowling alley. So, are you guys ready? Don't worry, we have a safety helmet. We're good with the helmet. All right, forget the helmet. We're off. We're good. Okay, are you ready? We're going to spin it. Okay, wait, Miss Kramer, or Miss, here we go. Ready? Here we go. We want to be really fair. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Who's first? Mr. Mike is first. Mr. Mike. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Oh wait, let's get our bowling music going.
All right, you ready, Mr. Mike? Here we go. You better hold on tight.
Oh yeah, here we go. Bowling it over. The next one is Mrs. Kramer. All right, here we go. Get the music.
All right, here we go.
Okay, next round. Let's see who our next teacher is. Oh, it's Miss Clausen! There we go!
In the hot seat.
Disco Inferno!
All right, here we go.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
Here we go. How do we get you there?
Oh, yeah! All right, then let's see who our next bowling ball is going to be. Oh, it's Miss Schaefer! Oh my God! You're on fire!
There we go.
Have a seat. Here
Let's
we
get
go.
that music going.
Yeah, get the music.
All right, you ready?
Spicy! Good job, Spicy! Good job!